Shurley method, page 36, exercise 1, part 1. And we're doing mixed patterns, so they're not all the same pattern, okay? So you guys are going to do number 1 for homework. And this pattern is subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object pattern to check. So that one will not have an indirect object in it, okay? All right, Mary and Ellen left in a hurry and ran toward the bus station. Who left early and ran toward the bus station? Mary. So compound subject noun and is a what? Conjunction. What is being said about Mary and Ellen? Left. Left is a verb. Okay, it's left and what? Ran. So they are actually compound verbs, right? And is the conjunction. Okay. So in a hurry, in what? Okay. Toward. Toward what? What kind of station? The pattern. Pattern 1, check, right? In a hurry. Toward the bus station. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. The bucket slipped from his hand and fell to the port. What slipped from his hands and fell to the port? What is being said about bucket? Okay, from what? Oh, hold on guys. It slipped and did what else? Fell. So it's actually compound verbs, right? And is the junction. Sorry, I spelled it and like that. Okay. Whose hands? Possessive pronoun adjective. Okay, it's a special one. To preposition to what? The pattern. From his hands to the porch. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Nope. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Larry showed Frank and Bill his science project. Who showed Frank and Bill his science project? Larry, right? Subject noun. What is being said about Larry? Showed what? Project, right? Is project the same thing as Larry? No. So direct object showed becomes the verb transitive. Showed the science project to whom? So compound indirect object. And conjunction. What kind of project? Whose science project? Possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern. 3, check. Okay, no prepositional phrase, right? Period. Verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Larry and should. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. So like I said, number 1 is for homework.